Hi YouTube, Timothy Unkert here. In this video, we're going to install GIMP on a Chromebook. So this video assumes that you've already installed Linux. If you haven't installed Linux yet, please do that. I'll leave a card up above. So once you install Linux, as I walked through before, this terminal will pop up. I like to pin it because it's good for installing things and if you'd like to use the terminal. So I'm going to open it up. You click on Penguin here. And I'm going to maximize this, and let's make the font a little bit larger so you can see what I'm typing. The first thing we want to do is make sure everything's up to date. We can type sudo apt get update, and then 2 ampersand sudo apt get dist dash upgrade, and we'll hit enter. And if we need to upgrade, it's going to ask us to use some additional space. You see I recently updated this, so we don't have to do anything. Once you are up to date, we're going to type in the command to install GIMP, which is sudo apt get install GIMP. We'll hit enter. It's going to ask me to take in 419 megabytes of additional space. That might be slightly different at the time you do this. I'm going to say yes and hit enter and let that run on through. I'll leave this recording in real time just so you can see how long it takes. Okay, so that's run through. We can just close out the terminal here. And if I go to my launcher here and I scroll on down and go to my Linux apps here, I see I have the icon for GIMP, which I'll right click and pin to my shelf. And then I'll click on that. You see here it's loading plugins. It's pretty fast to start up. So here we go. We've got GIMP installed and we can start working on our projects. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.